insight into my day today. Loaded at the Michelin track in South Carolina, headed up to Michigan, but going through from North Carolina into Tennessee on 40. I haven't been there since the floods did all the damage to the highway and wiped out major sections of the road. So going through, I wanted to get some footage of it and try to share it with people that have not seen what the floods have done there and how much work has been going on there with the guys and women of North Carolina and Tennessee. They're doing all the repairs. It was just a massive mess, and there is so much construction going on there and so many workers. You can just see the progress. Not just washed the road away, but washed what the road was sitting on away. Like, washed the whole mountainside away. So they had to rebuild that up and then put the road on it. It's pretty impressive. Man, those guys are doing a great job. We were able to get through without any major slowdowns. I was just impressed to see how much work was going on. Hard-working, blue-collar Americans getting after it.